Planning to explore Valencia but don't want the hassle of dragging your luggage around? Radical Storage provides a fast and secure solution for storing your bags while you enjoy the city. In this video, we'll show you how to deposit your luggage at a storage point in Valencia using Radical Storage, a reliable platform that partners with local businesses like hotels, shops, and cafes to offer insured storage options. To safely book your luggage storage in Valencia, simply use the link in the video description to access the official Radical Storage website. From there, it's easy to find a storage point by typing Valencia into the search bar. You will see a list of available locations across the city, conveniently located near popular landmarks, transit stations, or city center areas. Choose your preferred location, select your drop-off and pick-up times, and proceed with the payment. Radical Storage ensures all online transactions are secure, so you can confidently book your storage. After confirming your booking, you'll receive a reference number and detailed directions to your selected storage point. Once you arrive, simply show the reference to the staff, and they'll securely store your bags for you. That's it. Now you're free to explore Valencia luggage-free, knowing your belongings are safely stored with Radical Storage. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.